Alright, this is a Jeep JK 2016 rear door. I'm going to show you today how to take everything off of it. The door panel, the inner door panel that I couldn't find a video on YouTube showing me how to get out. So this is just going to be to help someone out. So here we go. First I start by taking this out. These are just decorative screws. This thing is just clipped in. And here there's two Phillips heads. Then we have two Torx T25. The reason I'm doing this in the house is it's kind of cold outside. Alright, now gotta get this panel right here off. It's covering. Covered another T25 right there. And now I believe we're ready to pop this thing off. And it's going to make a lot of loud popping and crackling. It hasn't hurt mine yet. And once you get all those broke loose, you should just walk up. Left one piece in. Got that out. Now the door should come off like that. I unhook these right here. They just push up, unsnap like that, pulls down. Same thing on that one. I unhooked these just to give me a little more freedom. Okay, there's going to be another Torx right here, and it is a T30. Now this piece right here would just slide forward and come off like that right there. And now we have some 10mm bolts. Looks like this door panel has been off before. Not by me. I'm going to go ahead and take these out too, because I'm going to take this whole panel right here off. This is a piece that's on YouTube that I could not figure out how to get off. But someone else has at least changed this mirror before. The window, I mean, because these pieces are cut out right here, and those have to be cut out to release some tabs down in these holes so you can get the window out. be removing all the trim too, so I'm going to go ahead and take this out. That one bolt has to come out to be able to get this glass out right here. Alright, most people on YouTube, when you're watching them do these doors, they get this far and it's no problem. And it pops loose, but it's always real tight down here. And they can't get it out. I'm going to go ahead and release this window before I show you how to get the door out. There's a couple of tabs down here, you won't be able to see it. Go ahead and take that rubber trim off. This rubber trim just pulls up. So these right here are normally covered with plastic, and you have to cut that out. And I need a light. I'm just trying to guess at it. I got it. I got lucky. Alright. Like I said, people get this far without an issue, but it still won't come out. And there's a reason. This door panel is connected to this locking mechanism, the latch system. Those 3 bolts has to come out, and then the whole assembly will come out together. So let me do that right now. I'm going to paint this door. That's why I'm taking all this trim and stuff off. I don't like trying to tape off rubber. I'd rather paint straight on the metal and not have to worry about taping around rubber and making a mess. So now this right here, you can see as I pull on this, the locking mechanism is moving. It will come out. It may take me just a second. And it will have to be twisted, I believe. See where I'm at. Okay, I shoved down to clear the window mechanism, and now I can rotate it more. And it's still tricky to get it out. I got both of those out. I got the bottom side out now, and now you need to be real careful getting this out because it is laying straight on the front side of the door, and it's a tight fit, and I'd hate for somebody to jerk it out and to put a line on the front side of the door. And that is the door panel, the inside door panel removed. It's a little tricky, but a little patience on this one will go a long way. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish. I'm going to take the window out, and I'm going to take the the rubber molding out, take the door handle out. That way I'll have it ready to paint. Take that out. That just pulls out. And this one will just lean this way. There's that. And now my glass will come out like a champ. There's my glass. And now I have two, I think it's 8mm screws, bolts, nuts rather, that hold the handle on, jumping around. There's that one. Now the door handle is out, and there's one. I'm going to leave all this rubber right here on for now until I get to the shop where I'm going to paint this thing at, because I'm going to paint the Jeep all over. I got to take that out. There's something loose in there. This right here is a little tricky. It don't just unsnap. You have to kind of push it back and fold it over all the way down. And to get it to go back, set it on there and it just clicks down. So that's the hardest piece of rubber to get off. But that's it. That's a JK rear door, totally stripped down. Everything removed. I gotta put that clip back on my door panel. I don't want to lose it. I'll do that right now. Pull it out. Transplant it back over here. So I'm not going to show it going back together. I've got a little door ding in here. I'm going to PDR it out. I was just going to give a quick demonstration of taking this door panel all the way down. I've looked on YouTube. I couldn't figure out how to get that black panel out right there. And when I figured it out, I thought maybe it'll help somebody else out if they're looking. So I hope it helps. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.